My name's Quinton, this is TradeLog, and today we're going to learn what are baseline positions. What is a baseline position? Simply put, these are the positions held open as of the first day of the tax year, usually January 1st. If you are using TradeLog for the first time, it's important to get your baselines entered correctly, and it may take a little more manual entry. But the good news is, for subsequent tax years, TradeLog will automatically carry over these baselines with little effort on your part. Incorrect baseline positions is the #1 cause of errors for first-time users of TradeLog. So let's talk about your first tax year using TradeLog. Let's say 2021 is your first tax year. Here is a quick way to determine if you need to enter baseline positions. Find your December 2020 brokerage statements for each broker account. Now, if you're saying, I didn't have any brokerage accounts open in 2020, then you don't have any baseline positions. You can skip to step 3 of our Guide to Using TradeLog Each Year and start importing your trades. If you did have brokerage accounts in 2020, then you'll need your December 2020 brokerage statements. I'll show you how to check what your baselines are as of December 31st. Most statements have a section for holdings. This section lists positions held open as of the last day of the statement period, in this case, December 31st. You can see we have 3 positions listed, 2 stocks and 1 option. Notice the negative quantity for the option. This indicates the position is short. Some brokers may indicate shorts in other ways. This broker also uses the label short. There is something else we need to check to determine baselines. Most brokerage statements also have a section for trades pending settlement. Often this may be found later in the statement after all of the activity. Note here that we have 28 shares of stock that were bought on December 30th. However, they did not settle until January 4th. The broker didn't include those in the holding section. Therefore, if my first year using TradeLog is for 2021, I'll need to create baseline positions for ABCD, a total of 38 shares when we account for trades pending settlement, WXYZ, a total of 20 shares, and for 19 contracts of the AAZZ put. Those are the baselines going into 2021 for this account. TradeLog will need to know specific details like the trade date the positions were opened and cost basis. We have a tool to make that easier, or you can also find the information from your broker statements. In review, what are baseline positions? These are the positions held open as of the first day of the tax year. As TradeLog imports trade history through the year, it will match corresponding closing positions. At the end of each subsequent year, TradeLog will automatically carry over the baselines into the next tax year file. If this is your first tax year using TradeLog, how do you now enter these baselines and get the needed details? We recommend using the Baseline Position Wizard, and we'll show you how to use that in our next video.